Hello, so in this video I'm going to teach you how to play the solo to Masterpiece by Big Thief. So the song is in the key of E, and most of the licks in the solo are either E minor pentatonic or E major pentatonic licks. So the solo begins with this kind of phrase. And that is, at the 12th fret you've got your E, so we're playing out of this well-known E minor pentatonic blues box. You want to grab the 14th fret at your 3rd string, and then bar the 1st and 2nd strings at the 12th fret. And then it's based around this sort of minor pentatonic pedal steel sound of bending at the 14th fret and hitting other notes. So you're hitting the 3rd string, then the 1st string, then back to the 3rd string. So that sounds. And then the second time, you want to add your pinky finger at the 15th fret of the 2nd string and play the same thing. That's the 3rd string, 2nd string, 3rd string. So what we have so far is. And then after that, you're going to play 3rd string, 1st string, 2nd string. And do that twice. So all together you've got. And then the next part sounds like this. So that's, now you're going to add your 3rd finger at the 14th fret of the 1st string up here, and you're going to play 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string, 1st string, 2nd string, and then you're going to play the 2nd string and then slide up on the 1st string as far as you like. So, and then just back barring the 1st and 2nd string at the 12th fret and just play. So all together slowly, what we have is. Okay, that's the first part. Now let's see. The next part is somewhere around this area, I'm not really sure. The thing is with the solo, it's quite sort of sloppy and played with a lot of attitude, so you can kind of, as long as you're playing in that area, you get the same sound. So I think what you're going to have is the 11th fret on the 3rd string, followed by some combination of open 1st and 2nd strings, and then 10, 12, 10 on the 1st string. Okay, and then the next part is, this is a sort of country 6th interval lick. If you've played country music, you'll be familiar with this kind of thing. This is as we're going into an A chord. What it sounds like is something like that. So you want the 9th fret on the 1st and 3rd strings, and then just take that shape down 1 fret and another fret, and then you want to play the 6th string on, 6th fret on the 3rd string and 5th fret on the 1st string. So that's, let's see, 9, 9, 9, 8, 8, 8, 7, 7, 7, and, sorry, my brain, 6, 5, 6. So something like that. Okay, let's do the whole thing so far. Slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Something like that. Okay. Now, where should we play this part? We'll probably play it here, around the, if you're familiar with the cage system, it's a C-shaped E chord, but it's around this 4th to 7th fret area here. You're going to grab the 6th fret of the 4th string, and you're going to want to hold on to that because the lick we're about to play is, so you're doing a run down like this, but it's alternated with keeping droning on that 6th fret on the 4th string. Okay, so what that is 4th string, and then you want the 5th fret of the 2nd string, then the 4th fret of the 2nd string, then the 6th fret of the 3rd string, then the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and you're alternating that with the 6th fret of the 4th string each time. So even slower. And then you're going to play this, which is just a movement from the 5th fret of the 4th string to the 6th fret of the 4th string, and then hitting the 5th fret of the 2nd string. That's going from the minor to the major 3rd over the E chord. And then we're at the last bit of the solo. This is another kind of 6th interval lick, this time around the E chord. So before we did it up around the A chord, and it was, this is around the E chord. So same idea, right? So with that in mind, you're going to want to grab the 4th fret of the 3rd string and the 4th fret of the 1st string, and the lick sounds like this. Something like that. Let's try that again. I think it's something like that. So that's 4th fret of the 3rd string, 4th fret of the 1st string, and then back to the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then the 2nd fret of the 1st string, and then the open 1st string, and then the 4th fret of the 3rd string, and then down to the 1st fret of the 3rd string. So slowly, that's so again, you're kind of droning this note while the other fingers move. And that's where the solo finishes. Okay, so just to recap, that's, let's see. Okay, that's the whole solo. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. Thank you.